G'day guys, time for another horror story. The speakers on the right of this 2015 Audi A3 are not working. See that? It's the third one I've seen where they'll actually, Audi Australia will attempt to, So it's obviously a computer in there now working through an interface. So it's not a, it's an MMI, it's an interface. It's not a deck. It's $13,000. I've seen this on the A7. It was the same price actually on an A7 Sportback. Anyone got any feedback here of getting it under goodwill or suing them or making them do it for free? Because it's just, you know, like 67,000 kilometers. That's all it takes. And the S-tronic transmission's leaking from the pan, right? And there's a leak from the rock cover gasket. And the tires are getting chopped out like anything, right? What do you guys think? Anyone know about this or had any luck with Audi Australia? It all works. It sounds great. I mean, a lot of people wouldn't even notice. It's like, it's such good quality sound. But, you know, as I always say, everything's beautiful and then it just all goes to hell. Anyway, let me know, guys, if we can give this guy any advice, this poor bastard. He's a lovely guy and, you know, like, he hasn't done anything. It's not, you know, like, it's not 10 years old. It's looked after. It's always been serviced with Audi. And, yeah, they want to charge him. They didn't even offer to do it for half the price or anything. Just, anyway, all right. Hope maybe someone can help me this time. See ya.